I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace 2013 Subaru Impreza windshield wipers. Lift the wiper arm away from the glass, press the small release tab on the blade, and slide the old blade off the hook adapter. Align the new blade, slide it into the adapter until you hear a click, then gently lower the arm back to the windshield and test wiper function to ensure a secure fit and smooth sweep. Start by lifting the wiper arm into its service position so you can access the blade easily without scratching the glass. Locate and press the release tab on the blade where it meets the metal hook adapter, then slide the blade downward and off the arm. Keep a firm grip on the blade as you remove it to prevent it from snapping back onto the windshield and potentially cracking the glass. If this video is helping you, please like and subscribe to support the channel and get more easy car guides. Quick recommendation. The Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading repair manuals and waiting on parts, with clear pages and long battery life, so you can learn while you wait. It fits in a glove box or toolkit. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Unpack the replacement blade and confirm its adapter matches your Subaru Impreza hook style before starting installation. Slide the new blade into the hook adapter, push it firmly until you hear a distinct click indicating it locked into place, then gently lower the wiper arm back onto the windshield. Start the wipers to confirm proper contact and smooth motion, and recheck the attachment after a short drive to ensure the blade remains secure and streak-free.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.